Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector, and Notary. Right now I am at the Margaritaville Resort Orlando, and we're about to head inside and check out this really huge looking home. Now this home is just under 2,000 square feet, and I was actually really in shock that it's that size, because it's a 4-bedroom, and as you could see, look at those floors. There's 3 floors. Now this home is furnished and all ready to go. So if you're interested in this, please do contact me. And the community over here is a short-term rental. So let's go inside and have a look. Okay, so everything that's in the home is exactly what it's going to come with. Okay, so all the furniture, everything in here is new. The home is new, the furniture is new. The TV is new. You can see the TV, LG. LG makes some of the nicest TVs. I own 2 of them. And here's your fridge. It's a Samsung. And you got a dishwasher, you got a Samsung stove and a microwave. Coffee makers, all that stuff. And over here you could make a drink, a margarita. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Let's just take a look at the back over here. We got some chairs back here. Just gonna take a walk back here a little bit just to show you the rear. Now over here in this community there are a ton of different combinations for the homes that you could purchase. I believe there's 17 homes that are different, but then there's variations on each, so there's like 3 or 4 variations on each home. So there's a lot of options. So let's see what we have over here. So over here we have a toilet and a sink. So you got a little half bath. And here's your laundry. And it comes with the washer, the dryer, everything that you see, like the laundry basket that's here, the iron, the board, everything comes with it. What's over here? Some mops or some brooms? Yeah. That pail for the trash. Everything comes with the home. You got cups in here, and let me see. Oh, you got plates. I mean, there's stuff in like every cabinet. Just trying to show you a few things over here, but I think that you probably get the idea. There's a lot of stuff. I mean, everything. Oh, everything is full. Like there's a. Let me put that back. There's a phone over there that's hardwired. Okay, so let's continue. Now in here, there's pillows and all kinds of stuff, but this is your storage underneath the stairs. There's blankets. Now the ceiling also has speakers in it. I should point that out. Right there. And there's another one over that way. Okay, so let's go up to the second floor. Now something about this home that's really nice is every room has a bathroom. And that's common in pretty much all of the homes in this area. So you'll have your bedroom, like you're seeing here. Now again, it comes with the bed. And you have your closet. Let's see if there's any more. Yep, that's it. There we go. Now I do want to point out something else. I'm just backing up over here right now. So you got over here, you got a tissue box, and here's a hairdryer. Okay, so, and the soap that's there. Now with something like this, you could just have the rental company that works here just take care of the property. So if you just want to use it part-time, or you just want to keep it always on a rental. So typically, anytime there are homes like this, and there's a lot of bedrooms, you can see you got a nice big TV. Typically the closets are a little bit smaller. Now, if you are interested in trying to find out which one's the fan, I think, oh, the first one, okay. If you are interested in, using this home full time, or just keeping it all to yourself, you could always take one of the bedrooms and convert it into something else. Like a storage room. That's something that people tend to do in that sort of situation where the closet space might be a bit scarce. But overall, this type of home is set up for people that are taking a vacation. They got their bags, and they're just going to take the suitcases and unpack. Okay, so let's continue. And you can see up here you got a nice place to sit. You could just hang out, enjoy yourself. And of course everything else is going to come with the house too, like the blinds. And pretty much anything that's attached. Like this over here to me looks like a smoke alarm light. Or some kind of a light if something happens. Okay, so we got another view. I'm just gonna show it through the blinds here. We got another place to sit out on your third floor. And here we have another bedroom. And you got another nice TV, like in all of them. It's an LG. And please do keep in mind, if you are interested in this home or any other home, I do offer great incentives over here, so contact me. You will always end up paying less for the home than if you just head over to the builder alone. And when I mean the builder, I mean right over here in the resort. You can see over here you got twin beds, which is great for kids or maybe two people that are sharing a room like they would in a hotel. And you can see again, you got your hair dryer and soap tray, and well, that's the fan. Seems like the fan in these rooms are always on the end, the switch. In a lot of homes it's in the middle between the light for the main bathroom and the light for the shower. And this is probably your air conditioning right here. Yeah. And please do check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You could always find homes like this and other homes for sale at the bottom of each community page. You could always check out the floor plans and get an estimate of what your current home is worth if you're thinking about selling it. And this community is in an excellent location because it is very close to the Animal Kingdom and Disney World. It's probably 10 minutes away. I don't know if I got that closet. I think I did. And from here to the other parks like SeaWorld and Universal. I'm just trying to figure out the light switches over here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like lit up. Today's a really sunny day outside, so I kind of don't even think about turning on lights when I'm in these homes. Even with the blinds closed over there at the end and kind of like half open there, it's still really bright. And please like, favorite, share, subscribe. And if I could help you out with your home purchase or sale, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. And if you know someone else that would also enjoy it, please also send the videos over to them. Thank you for watching and look forward to hearing from you.